Welcome back to my channel. Hello, in lodam tlang em. Voina thalak pakhat in bularon share kadua. Kangay dan chuanin karin dan chuanin ka subscribers te zi nga ka subscriber upa ber ani mai theya kapi ania ka video hello entry na mania is good by ka siam kha ena siam ve china te tia en lai thalak te min ron thona karon share don ni kapirini nia kanupa kapu mo kapu now kapu chong chunga nopui kapirini ani mission veng thanga oman ni cute tap ka channel hi lo miss ngai lo re nga tia kalom lu tu ka chong chanin voi nai hanin athala ki karon share ve don nya in lo en don nya chuan voi na ka siam tur hi snacks item ani North Indian lam ho chuanin namak paren tia atui do lu tu ka henga chuanin asama chuanin kata namkin te kan tia mizo hian ngen ti chia ka shelova thingpui me atui thei lu tu ka chuan hei hi airtight in da chuanin thataka airtight in da chuanin thakha chuang po ada theini mase kan siam hianin kan he lu tu theya kar khat po kan nei dai ngai lova chan chu mi chu ha siam da ni lo en liang So friends, I'm going to share my grandmom's picture with you. She is actually my grandfather's younger brother's wife, my grandmom, who stays in Aizawl, and she is one of my oldest subscribers. And she religiously watches my channel, and it's so sweet of her. Like she always, checks what I make. And Yvonne, so I'm going to share the photo with you, and today we're making some namak pare that is called kata namkeen also. It's a snacks item. Let's check it out.
Hello,
Yeah.
hello Damklangem.
What is that?
I have a package for you.
For me.
Yeah, 5th September is her birthday. Mase lockdown line isya gift tivel hi tia boy thak lutuka hepo hi nithumlai kan quarantine to
Mase ik koritiani khagane na.
Oh, kakolatia because I had to order it and somehow get it delivered. Katswak thai book si lawa boy thak lutuka. Chuan en ko ni se hei chu voina kan hong thei ta and it's nothing big chan chu tun lai ti thei vak kan ti thei vak lawa
Surprise. Ari is interested.
So just try to unbox and show what
Okay.
you got. So during lockdown, I can't do much as gift. So it's a very small pre-birthday gift for mom. Her birthday is on 5th September.
This came the other day. I was the one to receive it, and she told me that it's something for her.
Because I had to get it delivered at home. I can't even go out. So
Kapi thala khi karon en
Yeah.
tir phatang cheu nga lo en phatula chumi zo recipe kan siam nga recipe kan siam zo atop lama chuan hei hi kalo hong le zo
yeah, a
don ya.
recipe ka and pot ula chuan atop thengin video in enanga chuan kan unbox hi in lo en don ya.
Kapirini ama hi pathian tri mi takani kan vai tan hianin ni tin a tong try zia thin boka hei ka video en lai thalak min ron thona mi ka hmuh chuan mi positive dewanya eng lai po a hlim thei reng ani chuan kha kapi thalak chu ni tuna hianin kata namkin namak pare anti chu asiam dan lo enang. Okay friends, let's start making the kata namkeen, and we need 2 cups of maida, that is all purpose flour. Maida no ni kan la chuanin hemia hianin kan thil pol tur chu chi hi fian te chan ve ang bor vel ka pola. Half a teaspoon salt, ghee ka manga thir fian nga ka pol dona indu chuan refined oil pa ngai po atel the ni. I'm using 5 tablespoons of ghee here. You can use refined oil if you want to. Okay. One, here I'm using the carom seed. We also call it kala jira. Hey hi kala jira kamang do na. Hey hi inne lo chuan ajwai na mo cumin seed pa ngai jira mu pa ngai po aman theya. Kala jira hian ati tui deva. You can replace this with cumin seed or even ajwain. It equally tastes good. And we got some water here. I've taken about 80 ml. Tuitle mazong ml somri advel kan laboka kan mamoza chu nakina karon moze langa. Ama sa in heng ho hi ne devin cho pol vek phot angai ni. Let's mix all this up properly first. Alom chwa lok thei thleng kha kan nga angai don kan me angai dona. So you have to mix this properly and till the time it doesn't bind up like this. You can see that khatiang khan alom khom thei khanin kan du to kanga chuan tu na hianin tui kan tel than don ani. Nem lu tuk lo sak lu tuk lo tur angania chuwang chuanin tui hi tlem in pol tran photila. We're going to make a dough which is not too soft, not too hard. So that is why we'll just pour water little at a time. Because if you suddenly pour a lot of water, it can become too soft. We're going to go slowly on the water. So anin tikhan medzelila tuitlem kan lamamoa ml somriat dangvel kalaleni. So anin he hitihanin kan lo metanga a me chung hi minute riat vel tal chu me angai ni alo bera. You need to knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes. Minimum 8 minutes I would say. So now this is done and ready. And I've not used all the water. Hey tui hi kamang zo lova ml zavel kamangang. I've used about 100 ml only. Okay, let's keep this to rest now. I'll cover it. Tihan nila chuanin dar karchan ve tan lo ngak potang. Let's wait for half an hour. I'm back after half an hour. Dar karchan ve nuwa kalau kir lea. Chuan kan maida mekha lo enang. It's nicely set. I'll knead it a little bit more. Tlemin kan metlea. Ole nemru tuklo saklu tuklo tur kan tikha. Ole hi hituna mun thuma thenila. Let's divide this into 3 portions, 3 equal portions. Ole tuna kan lo nuai trananga kuthi tlem katimoma anwai na tur hi tihan kan tat mom vekang abe lo nan. Just oil the rolling pin and the base. We are not going to use the dry flour for rolling it out, so that's why I oil it. Tikhanin maida hul kan mangdon lavani. Okay, so we are not going to make it too thin. Slightly thicker than the normal roti is what we are looking at. Roti pa ngai kan nuai aya cha de uhlek turin kan roll la chuan tiang hianin lo zai chua kang. Let's cut it out like this. Okay, tiang hian kan zai chuak ta veka. Chuanin diamond cut ang tur khanin kan zai le don ani. I'm giving it a diamond cut. You can give it a square, rectangle, whatever you like. Indu chuan a killi te a rectangle te pona zai theya zai dan big chuang lava. Hetiang diamond cut deuh turang hian kan ti ni. Acha dan hi in muthia manga. You can see the thickness. So we'll just remove it here. Tiang hian in thlenga kan da khom veka alo bet dewani pona poi chuang lo kan huna a eng lo a om sang vek zel don ani. Heta hian tel katisa a. You can keep it all together in a plate like this. Even if you find them sticking to each other, it's not a problem. Once you drop them in the hot oil, they'll all separate out. I made the oil very hot and then now I've brought it down to medium. And we'll be frying this over low medium heat. Hey hiti hianin tel katisa chuak vek tuwa ka herniam le a. Chuan low medium heat at hian kan kang don ani. Hey hiti hianin main yama minute sariyatanga minute riat vel kan lo kang don ani. It will take you about 7 to 8 minutes to get this properly cooked over low medium heat. Lela ma thenga hianin tissue paper ka da anga kan lak chhuana torin. We'll take it out on this tissue paper so that the extra oil can be absorbed by the tissue paper. In muangin hei aronga in thak trana. Hei hi aron uk deu nuwa kan la chua kanga. Shia tur chu kan suan chua nuwa po hian ama hi ala cooking process a khan ala om thina chu wang chuanin kan lak chua a uk ai khanin lak chua minute khatvel nuwa a ain ala dukle dona chu wang chuan a uk lutuk ma a lak chua ve kha angai ni ari chu in sha theyem. So friends, this is done, and what should be known is the cooking process after taking it out from the oil still continues for about a minute, so that makes the color little darker than what it is as seen while cooking it in the hot oil. So make sure to remove it before it turns too dark. So as you can see, we are done with the frying. We'll fry the rest. It's really turned out nice and crispy. Tihianin kan la chua ka abang ho zong po kha lo kang zo leang. Ole hei hi kan kang zo ta a. Chuan tihianin adai thak nga anga ni. So let's wait for it to cool down. Adai vek to nuwa hetiang airtight jar kan da anga. Kar khatte ada thathe ani. So once it's cooled down, we'll put it in an airtight jar like this. Voina kasiam hi enge atra in TM in ron soidon niya. Chuan tuna lo vangang. Ako na mo kalaw ti tsara. Til kasiam chu kanin ko sik. Kang so para ka tiluto ka.
A haulutok hey chu pre-birthday anya. I mean birthday til dang. Ti chu katung thawa.
No, mai to lo pingi What is this? Pingi yang.
I don't know. A haulutok. Yeah.
Give the hong ai lo. And pre-birthday gift or not, why you have to do? Oh my god. Try your brand he. Oh my god, I love this. Still can't get the Yes. I can do it.
Cutlery holder yeah.
Oh, I love this. Thank you, baby.
Welcome.
I can do it. So this is my daughter's gift for me.
Pre-birthday gift.
Pre-birthday gift. Now this you have pre-birthday gift also. Wow, how lucky. So once I set this in my kitchen, I'll definitely show you. I hope you like it. Try it, yes.
See what it is.
Ah, chalo to ka quality.
Quality hi chalo to.
Ato bem.
Low.
Ano so link ka na kinakada nga yan. Ganong tsuwanin. Masaya doon sa mga video ikani na link ka dalo pa nga next video karen nuwa alink ka ron daang. Tsuwan kan hong to. Puka Tsuwan buhay na ka video hi engin kay dan. Cha in TM comment section na tikanin minron shile ula and ka channel la subscribe lo tu tikha khomai takin channel min lo subscribe sa ula chuanin poi mote ko ron soi tur chu ka fanuna soi to ang khanin September ninga hi ka birthday nya khabinita khanin special edition enge mo chu kan ron niya nga mase chu mi main kan live ang em kan live na nang tro bai khat ne birthday niya kan live so kang
birthday ma in
birthday mai mo
kasi law kan
ron live thua nga chuanin giveaway next giveaway engtin kan plan dan di te kha kan ron kuang bokanga in comment section na in ron comment ta te khanin in ming te kada mo to
char victory na in comment te hi
ni charan wa bi ka thei lo wa to te ma ama ro chu enge mo comment chen khat real ru khoi te ule support lan tir na I alo le thina khatyang ho kha kan mai ngai lo wa ka diary ai khan ka sia clue zela screenshot ko ka da ka zon mu lo palta kin ti thuin chanin chung ta chu na kina entin nge kan ron plan zel kan ron soi le don nia
chuan kanu birthday vlog te hi amunam don karinga chuan in lo chang char cha don ya ke mange in kim kha shooting le editing well ti katuma so surprises te dona chu that's why kanu in ati don thailaba ke man shooting well ti ma
you planning that oh my god
al chan lo chang mula 5th September ma point money bell upload
interesting videos
so upcoming dons yeah
so hey ti me ke ma birthday chang atinga ani bo birthday aron jep to a birthday tan pon ke ma birthday so ama birthday de kharon ni do na enge mo interesting de share tur kan nei mo la nga chanin ka video de lo mai thin sang
chen mas next video chuan shout out hi pe kan nga ya so maybe next video chuan shout out kan
nge ngai
an tamlu tuka kan mention du khau khang
so kan list
so next video chuan chumi chu kan lo ti dona
yeah cooking the loving shout out video le enge mo ti mai
le khyang kha in kom
some fun video non cooking but fun video ang kha kan tianga challenge kan ti dong em coming nia lauring ro enge kan entir don sel so ka video thir tu zam chunga lok thu karon soya lo thir zel la min lo support zel to rin karon request so friends I hope you like my gift I will be putting the link in the description box of my next video not in the upcoming one and if you like it you can order this for yourself I'll be showing you how I'm going to arrange this. It was a really nice surprise and like my daughter mentioned my birthday is coming up so for that we're going to have some very interesting videos coming up please do not miss it and after my birthday comes her birthday as well so we're going to continue with
the
interesting videos and we were also mentioning about shout outs
yeah next video will be about shout outs to a lot of our
dear
subscribers who have given and shown so much love and support so we are going to dedicate this video to all our subscribers and shout out to all of you
maybe on that day we might do some challenge also I'm not sure it's not a promise but just stay tuned and see what's coming up next in videos next few weeks it's going to be very interesting it's not about cooking alone so check it out
okay
then
take
bye
bye
that's really nice
how will you arrange it
I'll see I think I want to put a plant also
plants going on in this
ka phanu kan tem tir chinange baby em tem chinte
wow
you can see a crispy tero a try
think point and
Hindi ko po siya mga idol. Just give me one bite.
Ano to? Dorang siya. Dora ay po na to'y.
Salutok.
Box siya. Ashisel siya. At ina.
At yang lim.
Oh, inakan siya mabangin.
At yang lim at ina ni ito. Nice, ha?
Clarity po inen. Metul.